Welcome all. This is our lecture 49, and in this lecture we will cover the topic Notepad. What is the use of this software? What particular specialization and what is the importance of this particular software so that it is continue with the Microsoft Windows from its very version to till now. You can find Notepad as a main software that is pre-installed with the Windows. So let's start with the topic Notepad. It's a text editor like other text editors. It's also a text editor, but here there's a limitation that it can only read the plain text only. If any special formatting, any other things are associated with the text, then that cannot be reflected in the Notepad. Okay, only and only plain text will be inserted, or even if you copy a special text with special formatting and paste that particular in Notepad, then the simple text will paste. The special formatting will removed, or we can say if we want to remove some special formatting from any text, then we can paste that particular into the Notepad and again copy from the Notepad and paste into the desired place. Okay, it means we can use Notepad as a mediator to remove the extra formatting associated with a particular text. Suppose you have copy any text from the website directly and want to put this particular in your MS Word file, then the background of that image based text or any other special formatting will associated will be directly put in the MS Word file, which you don't want. So to remove this particular problem, you can make a mediator, or can we can say a middle line of Notepad. Copy the particular text from the website, paste that particular into the Notepad, and again copy from Notepad and paste in the Word file. Then this will be your plain text. Okay, this was released with the MS-DOS programs also in 1983 and also included in the first version of Windows, that is Windows 1.0 in 1985, and from that time till now it is the part of Windows family because of its functioning, which I have told you. You can check the simple editing screen of a Notepad is on your screen. It have a menu bar, file edit, format, view, help. Okay, and we can insert our desired text here, but with a limitation that it will contain only and only plain text. Clear this thing? When what is the main use of this? I have told you. Like this is the web page and here are some content, and you want to insert this particular content in your word file or any other file. Okay, then if you directly copy this and paste here, then the special formatting with this will also insert here. But if you use notepad, then the special formatting associated with this will remove, and we will get only the plain text, and then copy from here and then paste into the word file. You can follow this one also, or you can use, so you can use and you can apply this trick to copy and paste. Let's move forward. Now the question is how to open a Windows Notepad. The process to open a Notepad file or Notepad software is very simple. First of all, you have to click on the start button, or you have to type in the run box Notepad and then press enter. Or you can click on the start button, click on the all programs or all programs. Sometimes in some versions of Windows it's called programs, and sometimes it's called all programs. Click on the accessories and click on notepad icon. This is the process to open this notepad application. Now the question is how to create a text file using notepad. Simply you can enter the type the text as you want and create your file and save the file with .txt extension. This notepad application, this notepad text editor is also play very important role in playing the web pages as well. I will explain this also, how can you create the web pages for the website by using notepad. Okay, you can create any folder, and all the functions are same like others application, as it have file menu. In file menu you can get the new option, save as option, print preview, exit, same as in other applications of Windows. Okay, as I have told you the question that we can create the web pages also by using notepad. For that particular file you have to change this extension from .txt to .html. Okay, or we can create the PHP file also in this notepad file, and also change the extension from .txt to .php. Okay, we can create the CSS files also in notepad and save that particular file by the extension from .txt to .css. Okay, this is the major functioning of notepad, what and why it's so popular, and why it have main place of it in the every version of Windows. Now the question is, can you insert a picture in Notepad? Then the answer is no. You cannot insert any type of image in Notepad. You can insert only and only the plain text without formatting. Okay, only plain text file we can use. We have another application in Windows also with the name of WordPad. In WordPad we can insert a picture, but the file extension of a WordPad file is .rtf, that is rich text file. Okay, not .txt, that is plain text file. Notepad is Notepad will support only plain text. Okay, so the answer is we cannot insert a picture in the WordPad. Now the question is, another question is, can you center text in Notepad? Can we center or apply any formatting on the text in Notepad? Then the answer is no. Plain text, it is an plain text editor and will not support any formatting style. Alignment, formatting, this will not support. Okay. So class, this is the advantage, uses and many more we have learned in this lecture about the topic Notepad. Create your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.